Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Honda Key Fob is probably one of the most used gadgets in your daily life, but what happens when it stops working? A dead key fob battery can be a real inconvenience, leaving you locked out of your car or unable to start the engine. But don't worry, replacing the battery is a simple task that anyone can do at home, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how. Number 5. Honda Key Fob Battery Replacement Kit. Is your Honda Key Fob not working? This kit provides a simple solution. It includes everything you need to replace the battery and get your remote working again. The package comes with two CR2032 batteries and opening tools. You'll have everything you need to replace the battery. Please note that the key fob itself is not included. These are original OEM batteries, the same ones provided by the manufacturer. They are individually sealed in blister packaging and have a long expiry date, ensuring they will last. Avoid a costly service appointment. Replacing the battery is easy, and no reprogramming is needed. The included tool helps you open the remote without causing any damage. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Honda models. It fits Civic, Accord, CR-V, Pilot, Odyssey, HR-V, Fit, Crosstour, Insight, Clarity, CR-Z, Ridgeline, and Passport. Check the fitment guide to make sure it's right for you. Don't worry about the installation process. A detailed video is included to guide you through the battery replacement. You can easily follow along and get your key fob working again. What we like. This product offers broad compatibility, fitting a wide range of Honda models. It also includes an easy installation process, saving you time and money. If you have multiple Honda vehicles or are unsure which battery you need, this is a great choice, as it likely fits all of them. What people say. Worked perfectly with the Honda Key Fob. Worked perfectly for my 2022 Honda Pilot Key Fob. The accessory tools are great too. Perfect fit. Number 4. BatteryGuru Honda Accord, 2013 to 2023, Key Fob Battery. Is your Honda Accord key fob not working? Don't worry, this is a simple fix. This product provides the replacement batteries you need. This product is specifically designed for Honda Accord models from 2013 to 2023. It ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance for your key fob. The package comes with two original BatteryGuru CR2032 3V button batteries. This gives you a spare, or you can replace both at the same time. Avoid expensive service appointments. Replacing the battery is easy and can be done at home. You can save time and money with this simple solution. Please note that the smart key fob itself is not included. Refer to your owner's manual for battery type and replacement instructions. What we like. This battery is specifically designed for Honda Accord models. It offers a straightforward replacement process, so you can do it yourself. If you own a Honda Accord and want a hassle-free solution, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. I had to order a replacement for my car starter, Honda Accord 2018, works well. Replaced battery in my key fob. I installed it into my key fob, Honda Accord, and it worked perfectly. Number 3. 2-pack, CR1616 Remote Key Fob Battery. Is your key fob not working? This 2-pack of CR1616 batteries is the perfect solution. It's a direct replacement for your old battery, bringing your key fob back to life. These are original OEM batteries, just like the ones from the manufacturer. You can trust them to provide the same reliable performance you expect from your key fob. Replacing the battery is simple and doesn't require a service appointment. The process is straightforward, and you won't need to reprogram your remote after the replacement. We've included a pry tool to help you open your remote without scratching or damaging it. The tool also assists in removing the old battery, making the process even easier. A detailed installation video is included, accessible via a link on the product packaging. The video will guide you through the battery replacement step by step. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Honda and Acura models from 2003 to 2015. Check the product description to see if it fits your specific vehicle. What we like. This product provides an OEM battery, ensuring the same quality as the original. It also comes with a pry tool to assist with the battery change. If you want a reliable, high-quality replacement with all the necessary tools, this is the one for you. What people say. These batteries got both of my key fobs back to working again like new. Inserted in my 2010 Honda Insight original key fobs, too, and works perfectly. This battery fits correct for an easy install. Number 2. BatteryGuru CR 2032 3V for Honda Pilot, 2016 to 2024. Is your Honda Pilot key fob battery dead? Don't worry, this is an easy fix. This replacement battery pack from BatteryGuru will get you back on the road. This battery is compatible with Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2024. Please make sure to select your model year for the correct battery size. It's a simple replacement. The package includes 2 original BatteryGuru CR 2032 3V batteries. You'll have a spare, or you can replace batteries in multiple key fobs. The remote is not included. Avoid a costly service appointment. Replacing the battery is easy and can be done at home. Refer to your owner's manual for instructions. While this battery fits many Honda models, it's always best to confirm. Check your owner's manual to verify the battery type and replacement instructions for your key fob. What we like. This battery is specifically designed for Honda Pilot models. It offers a straightforward replacement process, so you can do it yourself. If you own a Honda Pilot and want a hassle-free solution, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. My remote of my car worked perfectly. Once I replaced the battery, the remote started working perfectly. Came quickly, just as advertised, battery for car remote. Number 1. 2-pack, CR1616 Honda Key Fob battery replacement. This is a bundle of 2 CR1616 batteries, designed to replace the battery in your Honda Key Fob. It's a convenient package that includes everything you need to get your key fob working again. These batteries are the same as the original ones provided by Honda. You can trust the quality and performance of this replacement. It ensures your remote functions as it should. Replacing the battery is simple and doesn't require a service appointment. You can easily do it yourself, saving you time and money. No reprogramming is needed. A pry tool is included to help you open your remote without causing any scratches or damage. This tool also assists in removing the old battery. It makes the process much easier. A detailed instructional video is included to guide you through the battery replacement process. The video, accessible via a link, shows you exactly what to do. It makes the replacement process easy to follow. What we like. This product provides an OEM battery, ensuring the same quality as the original. It also comes with a pry tool to assist with the battery change. If you want a reliable, high-quality replacement with all the necessary tools, this is the one for you. What people say. Quality product. Worked as expected. I replaced the battery in my car fob key and now works fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.